Guys, when it comes to EDC, one thing that I do take very seriously is first aid, and I have created a Stop the Bleed STB organizer slash pouch that I have in the car, and I usually have it right here on the driver's side in the door. And this is the padded fatty pocket organizer by Mikeydailycarry in black. Very easy to locate because it has that first aid patch right there. So if ever I need to direct one of my family members or someone that is helping me with aid, I tell them exactly where this is and it's located and it's easy to spot. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of how I have this loaded out, starting off with a front mesh pouch right here. This is probably the area that I reach for the most before I even have to open this actual organizer. And that is a real easy ouchie boo-boo kit. In here you have various size types band-aids. You also have different type of alcohol wipes. I also have some pills in there for ibuprofen, whatever it is, for headaches and treating that and whatnot. Now opening this up, it opens clamshell like. So in here I have this setup, and starting off on this side here I have a cat tourniquet. Decided to go with orange so that way it's really easy to spot, so that way if I have this on myself or someone that I apply this to, the doctors, whoever's going to treat them, knows exactly where to start. And then right behind that I have some high fin chest seals. This is a twin pack, so that way we can patch up some holes. And then on this side I have some nitro gloves, easy and ready for me to go. Look at that, huh? Little trees. And then I have an elastic band here which I can use to wrap any injuries. I have another tourniquet, and this one right here is the ETQ by Snake Staff. I have two tourniquets because if I have to apply it on myself and someone else, I have that there. There's that saying where it's like one is none and two is one. I think that's how it goes. And then there's a zipper pouch right here, and inside of here I have Quick Clot, and I also have a sterile gauze pad 5x9, so that way I can apply this on wherever that is, use this wrap to really cinch that down. And that is how I have the padded fatty pocket organizer loaded up by Mikeydailycarry. This is brand new. Make sure you check them out on their site. Peace out.